Introducing the Ninja DCT401 12-in-1 double oven with FlexDoor, a game-changer in countertop cooking that revolutionizes meal preparation with its innovative features and versatility. If you've ever wished for the convenience of two ovens without sacrificing counter space, this is the appliance you've been waiting for. Let's delve into what makes the Ninja Double Oven a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Ninja DCT401 12-in-1 double oven with FlexDoor into your kitchen. Unleash the power of two ovens in one. The Ninja Double Oven boasts the unique FlexDoor feature, which ingeniously creates two separate oven compartments. With this functionality, you have the flexibility to cook two different meals simultaneously, each at its optimal temperature and cooking duration. Whether you're preparing a quick snack in one compartment or a hearty roast in the other, the Ninja Double Oven empowers you to cook your way efficiently and conveniently. Keep flavors intact with Flavor Seal technology. Say goodbye to flavor crossover between dishes with Ninja's Flavor Seal technology. With two independent oven cavities, you can rest assured that the aroma and taste of one dish won't transfer to another. This means you can cook savory meats and delicate desserts simultaneously without compromising on flavor integrity. Smart Finish technology for seamless meal coordination. Imagine effortlessly coordinating a multi-course meal where every dish finishes cooking at the same time. With Smart Finish technology, the Ninja Double Oven makes this a reality. By synchronizing the cooking times of both oven compartments, you can enjoy perfectly timed meals without the hassle of staggered cooking or juggling multiple timers. Rapid meal making for busy lifestyles. With the Ninja Double Oven, meal preparation becomes a breeze. Experience 65% faster meal making compared to traditional ovens, thanks to the elimination of back-to-back cooking. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying meals with your loved ones, all while still delivering delicious, home-cooked dishes. Versatile cooking functions for every occasion. From baking and broiling to air frying and dehydrating, the Ninja Double Oven offers 12 cooking functions to cater to your culinary needs. Whether you're craving crispy wings, homemade pizza, or a perfectly toasted bagel, this appliance has you covered. With its family-sized capacity, you can effortlessly feed up to 8 people with ease. In conclusion, the Ninja DCT401 12-in-1 double oven with FlexDoor is a game-changing appliance that brings convenience, versatility, and efficiency to your kitchen. With its innovative features, including FlexDoor, Flavor Seal, and Smart Finish technology, cooking has never been easier or more enjoyable. Say hello to faster meal making, perfectly timed dishes, and endless culinary possibilities with the Ninja Double Oven. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.